Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with my lovely assistant to help me shoot this video. Fan requests. Somebody asked, can I start the Super Farmcrest Tiller? Well, yes, I can, I think. It's a 4 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. Going by the code on the engine here, which is not on this side. It's on this side. I think it's the second row of digits. It's, I don't know, 64 is the first year, so maybe it's a 64. That'd be about right, I guess. Maybe not. I'll post it in the notes. But anyway, it's a pretty cool machine. Force power reverse. It's got a neat little gearbox thingy. It looks like just a clutch. Yeah, okay, just a clutch for the drive, I'm hoping. Yep. So on this motor, which, ooh, is that just an idler pulley or is that a gear? That would be maybe the, I'm not sure on that. Put here. If I put the clutch in, it engages that one. And it seems like at one time that would have been power reverse. So that means the motor's got quite a little gear mechanism back here that would allow it to go backwards. I'm not sure how, but that would be the power reverse part. And it's got its brake here, which can swing around. Neat red wheels, big front tines. Kind of a cool machine. Does it have any oil? It's always a great question to figure out. As far as I know, I think Dwayne said it did. Man, it did run, didn't he? Yeah, we got it from a friend of the family, and I can't open that. So let me go get some pliers. I'll be right back. You going? Okay. See if we can stick a screwdriver in here, and it's just at a crappy angle for this. I might need to get some pliers.
Flip it over. Not that way.
There we go. Hey, it does have oil in it. It's pretty nasty, so, but it's oil, so we'll deal with that if we can get it started. So that's half the battle. Another one of these motors that has the old home fashion, let's wrap electrical tape around a wire bolted to the head so that we can turn it off. Yeah, better than some, I guess, and a nice firm connection. One video here I haven't put it up yet, but I did film it. I think the spark plug connection was loose. Typical Briggs carburetor where you pull it out for choke and crank away at it till she goes. This one is straight piped. Looks like there might have been a muffler out here, which if it runs, I'll repair. Whew, bone dry. Good thing I brought some gas with me to get that going. I guess it's not dry. Oh, it's really super old, so hopefully my super gas will fix it. Probably should put a lot in here. This gas, in theory, shouldn't go old. And it's less than a liter, so actually we're talking like $1 worth of gas, actually, here in Canada. It's $1.09 a liter here in Alberta, central Alberta. Oops, poured all my, you might have needed that. Anyway, okay, so we got some gas there. We're probably dealing with something plugged in the carb, but you know, I'm fat, I need the exercise. Let's crank on this thing. So the choke is wide open. The spark arrestor is de-arrested, and it looks like the clutch is okay. It's not going to run away on us. Let's see if we can get something out of it. I don't have hearing protection on, and once again, straight pipes, it's going to be really loud. Ooh, that's not good. Stuff's coming out of the exhaust already. Ooh, ratchet's not great either. Holy crap, is that hard to pull. Come on, come on. Our video short because it's not going to have a recoil broken. Here we go. Oh, I had it. What's it with tillers and recoils not working for me?
It's right there.
Think? I wish it were a mower. I could use my foot to hold it. this has clearly been rebuilt, and the string's too long. You got to be careful it doesn't bounce around and get caught in the tines. I think I'm lazy and I'm going to get some gas to put down the carburetor. Come on, you. Come on. Oop. Okay, one more pull. Come on.
She says no.
It says no. Here we go. All right. I think this is a flathead. So what we can do is take the air filter off. Find a dead moss body in here. Let's do it. Survey says it's fine. Ooh, it's really stiff. That should be wide open, and that's low idle. So it's wide open throttle right now. That's good. So does this throttle actually do anything? Yeah, I guess.
Kinda.
It attached to, yeah, the spring down there. So there's some springs and some leverage involved. So even if it runs, it's not going to run probably right till we clean that all up either. Okay. Whew. So now I got two things to do. Hold my hand over this and pull. I should just put gas down the carb and see if it runs. Ooh. I almost pulled on that. Come on. Nope. 4 is a little big for me too. Usually it's a 3 brace. A water pump's a 3. Oh. All right, let me get some gas. I'll be right back. Good?
Yep.
Open the choke. That gives us air and will make it easier for me. Then I got a squirt bottle of gasoline here. This is cheating. So if it fires, then we're good. If it doesn't fire, then I have to pull the spark plug to see if there's any spark, which my wife has already figured it doesn't. She might be right. Lots of gas in there. Okay, I'm gonna leave that open and let's go again. Not gonna cover it up. Got enough gas in there to start a small fire. We just want the bang, bang, bang. Here we go. That's one. It smells really bad. You're right. It'd be nice to do more than one in a row. Here we go. So we got gas.
And spark.
Well, we don't have gas. We do have spark. Yep. Work. It's just the carburetor is not getting any gas to the carburetor, right? So that was a running video, by the way, right? So
You're right.
I did get it running. So for those people asking for it to start, it can. We might not get it running in this video, but at least it will fire. So we got that going for us. Plus we got to put exhaust on it. God, that's loud. All right, I'll do a couple more. See if we can get the carburetor to. I should, if it fires, is cover it. One new shebang, and it's an easy fix. We have to take the carburetor apart and clean it. That's a no-brainer. Given that there's varnish and stuff, the pickup tube could be plugged, whatever. And then, of course, this not being able to even crank it over and get exhausted for my video, that is also sucks. Really big gas tank on it, so there's that. And it looks like it had a cool exhaust system on it, but they bent the studs. I'm not sure what the heck's going on, but I got so many lawnmowers with exhaust pipes. We'll JB weld something or epoxy something on there for now until the next backfire, and then it'll blow it right off. But all right, so with that, I'm gonna call it a video. Surprise cat shows up. Hi, Stormy. Got a grease fitting down here, so it actually looks like it's a pretty awesome tiller. We just need to get it running, so I won't abandon it. I'm shooting the other Conchompinator video right now, and I got the water pump video that'll be out here soon, and then we'll get this thing going. So hang in there, guys, but it does run. If you have any questions, of course, just go ahead and ask them, and I'll play my outro right now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the video I've got lined up for you next and the playlist I've got cooking up for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and to my homestead channel where we've got a little bit less tractory stuff going on for you. And we'll see you next time.